Hello everyone, Dibz here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing as well as a short review of the newly released AORUS M5 mouse. Just a quick disclaimer, I am currently sponsored by AORUS, but this review is unbiased, and the sponsorship itself does not affect my views on the product. So let's get started. Now, with the mouse itself, it has a really sleek overall design and is great for different style grips. The actuation of the clicks covers a large area, so this means that you're able to use both ergonomical palm and claw grip styles, whichever one suits you the most. It has two buttons on the side, in which I personally like to use for push to talk, and side grips on both sides. The scroll wheel has notches and doesn't spin freely, and also there are on-the-fly adjustable DPI buttons that you can program with the AORUS engine. Comparing with the AORUS M3, it's the same size and overall shape, but comes with more lighting effects and has an enthusiast-grade 16,000 DPI optical sensor up from 6,400, giving you the ultimate accuracy for competitive gaming. Now, what I find really cool is that the M5 also comes with spare feet pads that are made of pure Teflon, so that if the feet on the mouse ever get worn out, you can just replace them. For further customization, the M5 does come with 5 weights that you can add to the bottom of the mouse. They come neatly packed together and are super easy to install. Just pull up the bottom from the back and add weights for your personal preference. Each weight itself is 2.5 grams, and so the weight of the mouse can range from 118 grams to 130.5 grams, depending on how many you put in. For me, I typically don't use any, but to each their own. Now, of course, as an AORUS product, what would it be without Rgb Fusion? With AORUS Engine, you can actually sync the customizable lighting effects of your mouse with your AORUS keyboard, along with other AORUS products whenever you want. An upgrade from the M3, the lighting effects of this mouse are phenomenal and are awesome to have during an epic game. It is fully programmable and has saved onboard effects, and along with the lighting effects, there is also an indicator to match your on-the-fly DPI sensitivity whenever you change it, so you can keep track of it. All in all, the AORUS M5 delivers low latency performance and amazingly fast processing ability. The M5 has a 50 million click Omron switch for maximum endurance, and the switches on both buttons provide the most comfortable experience with crisp, tactile response at your fingertips. To add to that, it has up to 400 IPS and 50G acceleration, providing high quality control speed. What's really nice about this mouse is the adjustability in 50 DPI increments, which further allows you to make a seamless transition from your old mouse by fine-tuning the level that precisely fits your playstyle. In my honest opinion, I've stuck with one of my old previous mice for 4 years, as I was really reluctant that I would find anything else more comfortable. After using this mouse for over a month, the M5 feels just as comfortable as those that are wireless, and I feel as accurate as ever when playing any competitive games. I'd highly recommend this mouse for those looking into serious gaming, as well as if you're into customization and synchronization of your entire gaming set. So I'll provide links in the description below for all of you to browse any other products with this kind of customizable options. I'll also be doing a giveaway of these couple of mice on stream, so keep an eye out for that as well. Aside from that, let me know what you guys think about the mouse from my first look, and also your experience with this mouse compared to others. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.